Okay, FM 101.7.
Me wa fa doctor kwaku afiriye. Mrasha badwani a wagina o masafie oso empesua so MPPD mu. Me papa me wa fa woye doctor pani pa. Na wasan ye minister for science, environment, science and technology. Akwabe o sire mu on kama na ye technology. Me wa fa honorable doctor kwaku afiriye. Ohene me mo ache awura. What family watching? Now, a bubble to say, yeah, what for a woman as the devil actually a crowd. Hello, pa, you. Of I am saying, you can't buy the Bobremun, some party, who any near ma, a fat technology in one. Eja wo na behwa kache galamsen sami ya bobo akwahwe ofa edi nkan ofa toso mienu ne se da bi so de abo no tugem no ntue ye a musu ye nyensa mfiri ho ye de nhye agua kwama ye ebepem se enansan no asojafo e kan so o mo nko no wo hunu se wo ye biribi a etia mra no mfidie ni ahye no se mfidie ni ho de a unkotu na enipa bi ti se lawyer Edugita Makuro say Debbie emra ho se uchi obi kura bi saa kwan ba ne de fa so no ne ade enti de mampani aka no omo ne mampani enya twene ensabi papa ogene sei
well omo adwin omo so omo ni o mampani nya adwin na said o si aka no me doctor me lawyer. Now, so me feel say, Lord, sabi it emanates from common sense. Asema ye kan President wan ka say ye kwachi obia na fidie yanshino. If it comes into our custody, we will follow the law. Now, who di nyabrasem who say omanyeja pass jesen ya sati yensu ne adie. Na se instrument na wo di ye no. See a discernible we shall discernible it without hesitation. It's a interpretation is a machine, we are discernibling them. No more commit a crime, no.
Okay.
Because in the first place they are committing crimes. And another president make common sense interpretation, no. In two quarters obi the two equabo be our license gun or bibia. And so Tiono di Diboni or the Coco be a winner Tiono Crana General Bubuma. And no Tiono on a license gun or I say no, it did make a ransom. We can even contest it. Now, Mumia and man, I do your Papa Cassana, I am a President Cassana. Why elevated this whole discourse to a moral and ethical issue? Now, media, idea man who as a public health physician, they say, I say the cost of galamsey in Ghana no. Is so grossly underestimated. Environmental costs, some 11 billion, that is the latest estimate. But the medical costs are, me medical practitioner until recently war. Environmental galamsey taking place. I'm talking about the BNE, I'm talking about a Ben, Diaso, any Ankaso, any Savi Antakamuni Adia, a Ben, Sa Ancobra River. Meaning, who acute mercury poisoning, who acute STD, HIV/AIDS, yes, they were all guarantee areas. A year higher than any other place in Ghana, including even the legal mining areas, the Takwanum, Niprisianum. Who the medical cost of trauma, accidents, homicide, Yekunkum Krofo, Omu War Honsikai, who the social cost of smoking weed, who the social cost of the cocaine addiction, ammonia acute withdrawal symptoms. Who Sa Yarabima or more higher than any other areas in Ghana. They say hepatitis, they say cancers, I have so rare. Who kaposi sarcoma. I'm not supposed to have seen more than twice, maybe in my lifetime. Who bears 10 times because of HIV/AIDS. edi atese wo ho ohe enti nyina no koso no a the burden on Ghana is so much enti sa argument here opposition for agimu kwatiri me hu so matutu bia ma small scale mining no my omo ye gram say for na small scale mining no I say yeah campaign kra Ghana for ebedi no kra there was a clip going round that NDC for so omo ba the ombe ja agena gumu obi aye de ope there's somebody challenge me said they make anya no kra omo party no man me condemn our position and denounce say that's not their official position entin na ye gitum say boni wom MPP a mass organization ya boni for we mu ye gitum ubenya recalcitrant MCEB or be di boni am ague yin anim ase. But the trust of your policy ne say yen tra ho ma aban ya hwe ha e ma yen say Ghana ejapade enti instruments na ye design your man no you narrowing it down to champagnes, you are narrowing it down to excavators no na washing plants any accessories no you better na ujane wo disable no you engage in the ebesizi sankofo ebesizi machine no will comply with the law. Yen to me ento for whatever reason yen ya ho nko na wonsa ma yen kuntuna se no wonsa nko ye be we disable them enti your policy no say yen ya because there is a higher order a higher calling say yen say your man opia uya kukudura no akọ court ukona udi bima eno no enti NDC for no mo yade no lawyer no I didn't na oni omo ni no fan court non-con contesting the president on 7 notice of a baby no because some rana a no me lawyer na media ni say ordinary discourse no one could see here and another contentious now what to say in the theater of operation obi say new man would you have a excavator when you're born it is almost so me na yes a bit with people with kid gloves now we go in circles
where they are disabled.
We are disenabling it.
Okay.
And we are disenabling it.
There was Doc, there also soon say, and we any pay back court na a cofa judgment that kese abeso.
Oh, massa. Judgment that na na betia. Abind the say no na ye can say if you act in good faith, na gonna for na beto say ade aye ko in circle see. Anka de meti ani say anka e hu kraka obia kra especially gram say no anka mu fi obium na say ade we wo kan say me yan say no am disenable na say implicitly no accept say we be going in circles ebi be kwa kofum obi nima kwa si pra river no mu ebi nima kwa si tano river no mu no ma ye na say dey aban deploy soldier for winning the course of deploying soldiers. Our moyes ejuma way. Versus say obey a few surgical operations. As from my point of view. Now kakra bese no tiaka assuming say aban credit for. Can less it pales into insignificance compared to Russian soldier for a mobilize on the idea. Aban cannot be policing the forest with military people interminably. That is where they want us to go. Someone tells you, say, Nipano to also a jatum, and this is why jatum no lawyer say Bonino there. The BIA in a very significant scale into the BIM family team policy war. On one thing, the other side of the equation, the cost to the nation. The cost to the nation is so huge. And the intino, young teaching us a moral and ethical issue, and so, excavators, it's becoming enough. Now, one topic I'm raising a very interesting podium, and no more again. And it's the population of excavation vis-a-vis the legitimate use in the country. I know the will be looking at that place, but it does not lie in my mouth to enunciate policy. But I know they are legitimate because it seems to me it's a population of excavators in Ghana. Other legitimate uses to say mines, road construction, the other civil construction. Just too much. We have identified that problem. Until we are serving notices, excavated what we know, when we are caught in the committee offense now, you bet this activity excavator, no, which is inclusive of setting it on fire.
Okay.
Because we're Johnny, I think a loader in theater of operation. This is almost like a war. And I don't think so. Also be an crapper because if somebody may send me bonity. You got so emotional, sir. Anka ye cry anka. Ubi obey at the you shoot you on site. No, everything the public domain, so I can talk about it.
Yes, yes.
But certainly, deactivate excavators on site, bend them on site to deactivate them there. Meaning it's a big price to pay. Those who are listening should listen. Those who are listening should listen and advise the purveyors of crime to stop. And when you know the thrust of the argument, not a few deviants, when we catch them, then we know what to do. As far as we are concerned, the Ministry of Environment is concerned, so instruments the committed crimes. And so we blunt the instruments. They don't pay any obtuse argument to be a for political purposes. They went through that cycle, they failed. My president has had limited successes in the previous idea, using a more modern and work it. Now we have raised Antino Kakranian. So Ghanaians, my president has spoken. So we are in tandem with him. We believe that, sir, this time, led by the young and very energetic Minister Bruno, we shall succeed.
He shall succeed. Papa, yes. Bakwa, a woman, and send some more Cassa, a national women's organizer, Abana Katie. One was one of the one question, Sama, Minister Wonsam, Abatom when him, any idea, they been such or one crano or permit, or one near money would win now, one more one present. Sassam non patch Abatom.
Me, Yahweh, Abatom, and I don't want to speak about it. Okay. War. Sometimes we have collateral damage. In whatever, no. There may be a better be a man in talk. Which means, I say, and no point at MPP for yet we are going according to young policy near the very unfortunate say movie crown car. Well, so be it. That is it. If you all cry now or case pa intina you kind of that or me president actually. But maybe there's one other thing I may bring on to notice.
Okay.
Sir, money in river bodies no. Ubia fast 100 meters rule no. Ubia iron say pra and cobra ofin birim tano bia. And so omu see some more tributaries. So bia mako we wuko jantoa. Tano river ni tributaries edda jantoa I'm talking about Amenfi district.
Amenfi, yeah.
Wow. And so we na river body so if you set the imagination omo yes ade no omo ni case kura wuko hunsuo brook bi ene nsuo bi ada ho say ta ho ana say ade a Mr. Communal Commission no mo may interpretation ma anya sa one here ya obefom and yes bi anya a tano ni nadi ni nkrabata na say ni tributaries no ebi esuhuma ebi afamisie ebi so many of them ni me ho nyina omoye galamsey around them. And you say not 100 meters from Pra River. What thing kura? You say river body, so look at the law. And you say, oh, come na me lawyer. Then you make a question and come lawyer. The young say me who brook could be say namho. Now what breaching no? And to me cry, I find that law very, very difficult, honestly. But Minerals Commission, they may have a better interpretation. I don't know. Maybe there's a limitation. And yes, small scale for no. I even sympathize with them because by imagination in my stretch, one way over from Rano, I don't see because they need water to do that. A lot of them know or more poor. In Fionu, I Krama diverted tributaries, course, and they've been my years. I set up a self-sustaining system. But I don't bring the tributary. Our my diverted. And you know more come some no more the wave papers in our faces Ayana is very irritating, Yeah, it's very irritating because when you go into the law, more cancer now more think Fabio with all due respect to your listeners. Omunim the terrain in the villages in the countryside, no. Media may submission is a salon no crime. We must look at it because hardly ever can you do a mining without getting close to 100 meters within a river body system. Minamika. And I feel so problematic. Obiko war the possible crowd so on legal mining crano. 1 year, 145 year crowd in Sutobre run off no crowd the crack of Buzuno. So it's a huge problem out there. There are a technical problem which must be dealt with on foot. Interpretation. Into more mutia or more postulates no more can some of their church, With all due respect to them, a lot of them they don't even know what they are saying. Now media sadly we must come to a conclusion on it somehow because Mimi feels that some mining should even be regulated. Me, I'm painting the way forward because the host of people are galamsey and even legal mining. There are so many, sir. You cannot even police them even by way of legal regulation. And me, I'm suggesting, sir. I mean, I put it on the table, but it can come in the public domain. So, entity gold, and minerals, any diamond as a frequency resource. They say, who peace, need more frequency. Say, it's a block with Pinomuso, say, Momunia other frequency because there will be interference, maybe.
No, correct.
Now, all previous regimes, there are and mining laws, so they've taken advantage of it. Minerals Commission, who are Jegum. The hearings of the Bania Yasan Krata. In other words, those who are even doing legal mining, small scale mining, your capacity to regulate them to comply with the law is severely limited. One aspect.
Bakozo amatie ne say yesi nipa ne bi wo a wono akogye sa compartment no and microphone to ba na otwa bia ma se ko
and me say nyoma ekoso no dia me can go on a whole lecture tour with you no pa wakogye ne legal no otwa ma for which illegal because I was minister for lands and natural resources for 9 months in Kufuor regime and Sanamiko Health.
Okay.
The law hasn't changed on that aspect. In Tianka, a Bikra Minerals Commission should even be in the know. And another Bakunso is not known to Ghanaians. Obi Owa, no Akodi Assassin, a war, peace from war, Massasin was a concession. Legal. So I want to say, what assassin, Emunye do to say in terms of all body, you say, be at the nearby adjoining 25 acres, Into a benwan so no jump into what wunim no there we say wunim special dimensions not the crack such as the people you're correct. They say the school inspection and can now plot so be a plot so assembly or Ghana in the small scale mining for legal ones in America. Control. Plot so women say be brain no matter trespass and you be omu dono and I say be omu to gold no and when you get my own so nim there no go be on there no my own there yachro no move between church or radio station to radio station pasa only class na because your first premise is we don't want to abolish gold mining, small scale mining in Ghana. Now, 1989, under PNDC, or multi excavators or more loud, and I'm a very big problem. And yet, just one at your moment, we lost it. Maybe they were trying to regularize technology, but because Anka Nanka excavators in the equation, Nanka illegal small scale mining, Nanka town village committee chairman Mason. In other words, it didn't want to chap it that my home when valley over Bina Korebia Kotum no Wuna. Even though it's a criminal case, we don't say na or Moody wants some of fear. I've even you also witnessed that kind of case. But sir, environmental optics are so horrible. I wouldn't be man. I would take more. Now in my excavators in Ediaba. The other one so me some fine. I know they're Chinese, but I heard in the part of your discourse, no say Chinese for near Jao, Chinese for be bringing me aware say they are being prepared for court or they are in court now, together with Ghanaians under the new amended law. No, until lawyer no cancer and the court system they slow, and it be a journalist, no, or aware, but me aware say. Some of them are being passed to court. But you know, in the beginning of this exercise, a man for no police and soldier for no campaign. No more abandon or more equipment, Inti hardly ever say Nipa YCZ on vis-a-vis equipment ever to no cry is Inti that this is a narrative echoes with regard to the Galamsey fight. So you treating as a moral issue. In fact, me from my point of view, 5th June World Environmental Day.
Yeah.
Ghana, we are desecrating, busily destroying our environment while this is ongoing. But you may arguing the medical and social cost of Galamsey. Particularly on trauma, no more as a doctor Nami practice war, and I make those environment may receive dead bodies. Obi o akoyi sika o bank na ne nkofo ya inside knowledge no ma akoto ahye no so wankwaso forest ne yakunu murder na police for one chiro doctor for one chiro those things no Ghanaians say we have not put a CD or dollar cost on them plus side diseases here making chronic ailment terminal kidney disease you see the past 3 weeks no ma ko ye ewo Western North a year baby about 3 of them a year related to terminal kidney failure if you Galamsey site. Oh yes, mercury no more vaporizing no more inhale into a causal kidney problem any other organ failure. Oh, I'm thinking about the harvest of hepatitis B and no more social life will be more culture. When so be proud of Galamsey site a crowd, Minkaso Munina, some of them no. They have the belief that Mojanu share Gunukrana gold no ba. Ubi who cry so the better. Into be a quarter pit more abarino menu me so ye dear bobono. Na in a very macabre way na Galamsey for be there on there because of Muska ebeba. My God.
Dogway. Baby I'm pass here so ni say. One more Womo yes womo kra excavator seba no this unya approval every ministry ebi dia ye business ejese no wono no de oba akwaje approval ne de amaw na wo de akokra na de aba e ho so ya be osa na no Sunday meko port nipa baako 27 excavators aba wo be yie ye ni de akire ba bia ekọ
and also is possible me approval no. Let me confess, I'm not too much conversant and aware of it because I'm me free land and environment, I check kakra, and I'm health, ne adit. Now, what draw my attention, I'll go and look at the specific regulation and master approval. But even accepting it, me, I'm not afraid to accept that fact, say, a weakness in our system. She said, is it not lost on you there in a wider context? No, some public servants they benefit from this. I'm not afraid to say this.
Oh yes,
this approval. No, one said a binombe benefiting. So now it was put there for good use purpose. The construction industry there, you perceive the cost of doing construction in Ghana should be as low as possible. Unfortunately, this equipment, were multiple use. Enforcement is very, very difficult. What the court is here, or more legitimate civil, what do you call it? Civil works, Say road, other civil works. You see, I can say high-rise buildings here, one can or more excavators. No more, but you that we must think to it. Yeah, we're being to our draw my attention, many colleagues in I beg you. Now, yes, but me, yes. Regulating excavators in particular is something that we have raised again.
Papa, what did we Dr. Penny Baby, I am modern Aquamba bedray. What's such a ding I heard say? COVID or may yet,
Oh, COVID, there, Udim said the chief public health consultant in Ghana is Nana Adodamkwa Akufo-Addo. Hooray! Always they say the papa say a bonabaso. But when we say so, that we boom compa COVID name a new at the epidemic about we are saying, and as far as I'm concerned, 1918 over 100 years the last one about influenza and post World War the World War One and World War Two.
World War One.
World War One. Now we buy now we a public health person saying you are very cautious. But me I did back when if you recall say if there's a country which was well placed to deal with COVID any other idea, Ghana. Because we have a very robust public health system. We have a whole doctor at the district level, geographic entity. On all so public health nurses, SNAC, community health nurses, SNAC, biostatisticians, SNAC, health promoters and educators, SNAC. Now, Ghana for no, and yes, part of the health system, Munti and Ka. But who component EPI expanded program on immunization start with Dr. Charlotte Gardner. Now we have said the Ghana they're not immunization I deliver even at the 95th percentile for be at 3 doses. Ghana, we are always in the top bracket in the world because we have a system. Yes, Juma we are see. Nkraha kopem amenfi west say bia wadu kro bi ti say sewayo ana say bokako kure. Now be who say health workers or more collaborating with the what do you call it? The local unit committee which I know the system very well now. I had no doubt in my mind say if there was one country well placed to tackle COVID head on Ghana. And of course, we had a very resolute leader in the person of my president who has done so well. In fact, me cry sometimes I just marvel at this man. The energy, and the enthusiasm or the access with. You see, we are posting some of the best results anywhere in the world. And yes, we've done well, but you see, one case in crying, said from January. In fact, by over 95% of the cases spread by airborne. For my articles here, you see, and wiping with swabs and you also to me transmit COVID. But like HIV/AIDS, the main transmission. One route, and he said, one will be in Comona, one home, and Wabo Wako Suniadi. And Nuntina, some mask, we must not lose guard. Because one case crowd can spread so fast. And now, airborne transmission. No, we are not there yet. And again, we must also collaborate with nations. Because of economic reasons, we have to open up, albeit gradually. And then the economic bad economic patch passing through in Okoka is must be a COVID. Must be a COVID. Yeah, Cocoa cry where I know best, no crown. COVID affected pricing. Let somebody come and challenge me say no correct. Because some more Western countries near the Americas more consume chocolate, a coffee. Into a bo a coffee. Papai Uncle J or no Atara Uncle J late living income differential. I don't cry no problem one. Anka see I queer for Anka watch. But coming into the main idea, the health wise modern economic ramifications they are hitting hard. You may be brave per se ECC and ECN to me yet. Maybe one thing about MPP is we don't know how to answer back things well. I know the internal criticism. Your party we see Adam Kwasi for no. We are self-effacing here. You be crying pesa man for and a propaganda war no there beginning near into your opponents there or more sum nobody a papa ya bomodin. Now the only a comparative analysis will convince you say Ghana we are in a very good situation. We are not starving, there are no shortages, prices are high, we admit. Even those that we can control, they are not high. But those that are external to a cement, import to clinker, all those almost 90-something% of the inputs you see outside. No, how do you control the prices? Ebinum kaya na but into be a DB. Until at the end of the day, no, and maybe I see silver lining. The president is doing economic rethinking. Said the climate as a say no economic resilience, so I say you may beat my hono. I say international cooperation near the trading near the now you must do that from a position of resilience. So when a COVID or some a similar outbreak break here, you can fall back on it and you don't become a beggar nation. And to me, this is my take on it, even though if you like random submission and you're well packaged, but I believe
it's well packaged, you, Papa.
Okay. All right.
I didn't go on Sano. Papa, you better say.
Mr. Damasi.
You, Baba.
Now, I'm saying we shall not relent, we shall fight.
Okay. Yeah, that's Baba. Baba.
Yeah, bye.
Honorable Dr. Kwaku Efriye, MP for Sefiye also, Minister, Environment, Science and Technology. Mampenda da akufo penso no ye Minister for Health. Was I call Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Na ye ne no atwetwe enkomo.
Okay, FM 101.7.